Hey, first grade. We are going to do early birds number 8. Sorry, it's late. There is a lot going on, and I'm sure there is for a lot of people. So let me go ahead and get to it. Okay, so this is early birds number 8. And they have some things that we have done before and some things that we haven't done before. I did not teach you guys numbers 4 and 5 last week because in my classroom, you guys would be starting to try to do these on your own. So that's why I did not, and I will not do 9 and 10 this week as well, but I will come back and I will do the first 3 for next week. Okay, the first one says to write the word and to circle the vowel. So that first thing is a jar of jam, and then they circled the A. What is this a picture of? It's a map. So let's spell that. Oh, where's my pen? Oh, I am yellow. Goodness, Miss Dudley. Go over it. Easy, 3-letter word. Okay. You cook food in a pan. Food in a pan. We still have the same vocabulary word fast, and they'll stick around for a while and then it'll switch. Again, it's an adjective. It's a describing word. Something fast moves quickly. So what does it not mean? What's the opposite of fast? What's a turtle do? Like how do they move? Slow. So sl. And then we'll learn later this year that O-W can make the O sound sometimes. You can also say ow, but I've never heard the word slough. That's weird. Okay, for the sentence down there, when I am mad, I'm going to put cry because sometimes I do. It is okay to cry. Then we need to trace over it. You can put whatever you want at the end of that sentence though. If you don't want to put cry, you can put something else. When I am mad, I cry. And then I'm going to put the period right behind it. I know it shows it over here too, but I always put it right behind the last word. This next part is super duper easy. All you have to do is match the words. What's this first sight word? This is one that I did with you if you were on a Zoom call with me. Four. Okay, what's this one? I hope I'm not blocking my speaker. I don't know where the sound goes in. This is you, and I'm just gonna look for the match. One of the first sight words you ever learn. The. Then we have he. He is doing his early bird work. And is. Okay, so this next part, I don't think I've done this with you yet. I've been doing this for a couple years with my first graders, so I can't remember if we've done it this year or not, but I don't think so. We're going to use 2 different colors. So we need 2 different color crayons, and we're going to write these words over here. the consonants in one color and the vowels in another. And I had been talking this week in Zoom about what the vowels are and what consonants are. So I am going to do blue. We'll turn to blue for my consonants. You guys can use whatever color you would like. So the first word is for, and there is only one vowel in that, and it is the O. So all my other letters, I am going to write in blue, and then I'm going to make a space because that O goes there, but I've already got my blue, so I don't need to put it down and then pick it back up again. So I just leave a space for the letter that I need to make a different color. So I'm going to make my vowels green. You can do a different color. So F and R are consonants and an O is a vowel because all your vowels are A, E, I, O, U. Those are our vowels. Sometimes Y can be a vowel too, and we'll learn that later. Okay, back to blue. U is my next word. So that is a consonant. It has the yeah sound, so it's definitely a consonant this time. And then my other two are vowels. So I'm going to switch to my green. U. There's only one in that word that is blue. That's a consonant. Okay, my next word is the. We're going to switch back to blue. And what are my vowels in this one? Just the E. So I can write my TH, switch my crayon for E for my vowel. Next word is he. E is the vowel again. So write my H in my consonant letter. Write my E in my vowel letter. Vowel color. Next word is. Now that one actually starts off with a vowel. So I didn't have to change crayons, and then it ends in a consonant. Okay, now I'm going back to my pencil. Mine is black, but you guys have a gray pencil, dark gray. Okay, count the candy. So there are how many lollipops? I only see 1, 2. So there are 2 lollipops. How many gumballs? 1, 2, 3, 4. So you're making an addition sentence. You're adding the lollipops, there are 2 of them, plus the gumballs, there are 4 of them. And then if I don't want to use my fingers, or I'm not quite sure what 2 plus 4 is on the top of my head, I could just count the things right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 pieces of candy. So I need to put that answer. Okay, I know for sure we've done this next thing a couple of times. Okay, this is the number 4. And is it matching this first nest, the second nest, or the third nest? It's got to start off with an F, doesn't it? So it is this one. Okay, does the first nest or the second nest match the number 1? 1. It sounds like it starts off with a W, but that's one reason we learned this as a sight word. This is the number, or this is the word 1, and this is how we spell it, O-N-E. So this last hen is gonna go to this nest. She laid 2 eggs. Okay, so I know we've done a clock before. We talked about the hour hand. So the big hand is called the minute hand. And we talked about this short hand right here as being the hour hand. The longer hand is always the minute hand. Minute hand. And I know it doesn't tell you to color it, but I want you to color it red or some kind of red that you might have. Okay, that is all. I have a Zoom soon with some of my students, so I will make some more videos later to put up for our next week. Hope you guys have a good rest of your week. See ya.